guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Alaina, where every Monday I'm going to be talking about a new face mask or hair mask or any kind of mask for that matter that I think would be beneficial for your skin and your skin type. My skin type is oily skin, so if it works for me, maybe it will work for your skin. Anything that I talk about today or for my next videos, I suggest you patch test before doing your entire face with any mask, just to make sure that you don't have any unwanted skin sensitivity or breakout that happens. So I hope you really like my videos. Like I said again, please like and subscribe, and let's just jump right into it. I know I look like the monster from the Blue Lagoon, like the green monster that would come out, but today I'm going to be showing you how you can achieve this look right here. I mean, the after look for sure. But today I used a DIY matcha face mask. So today I used a DIY face mask. I obviously am green, so I used matcha. So the antioxidant power that matcha has helps with getting a glowing skin, also helps with slowing down the aging process. I know I'm 23, but I always think about the benefits later down the road for my skin. So if anything could help my skin look like I am 18 again with no acne, then that would be great. I just used a teaspoon of matcha, and then I used a pinch of cinnamon, and I used a little bit of honey for its moisture. The cinnamon I used, going back to the cinnamon, I used this for the antibacterial benefits for acne prone skin. I have really bad skin ever since I was 17. I always had acne, and I was bullied at school. Not really bullied, but kind of hated on by people for my pepperoni face. So anything that would get rid of acne, I would use. So today I'm going to be showing you how you can achieve this mask on my face, and let's get right into it, okay? First we're going to use a little teaspoon of matcha. We're just going to put that in the bowl. As you can see, there's a little water in there still. Try to clean the bowl. And then a little pinch of this cinnamon. Then we're going to use a little bit of honey in there as well. And then I have lukewarm water, which is nice just because we don't want to dry out the skin, so we're just going to use a little bit of that. I'm going to start mixing. And you want to start with a little bit of water, and if it's too thick like this, as you can see, it's getting a little thick, so it's perfect. So I got the hairpin back, and we're just going to take a little bit of the mixture that we have here, the mask, and we're just going to put it on. To wait 15 minutes, wait for it to dry a little bit, and then I will get right back to you. Alright, see you in 15 minutes. So the 15 minutes is up, and I just put on my makeup, and I didn't really have any skin irritation, which was nice. I always suggest patch testing before you put any mask on your face. And just to repeat what I already said, matcha has antioxidants, so it slows down the aging of the skin process, and I just like it to do a mask now, and then also every once or twice a week now that I'm going to be using matcha in my skincare routine. And cinnamon for its antibacterial for acne breakouts and stuff like that. I have acne prone to skin, so if you have acne prone skin, I definitely recommend cinnamon, but it does irritate the skin. So like I said, again, patch test it with cinnamon just because it could make your skin very red. So I just put a little bit of cinnamon in whatever mask that you decide to use. And I will be doing Monday mask videos every Monday, so please look out for those. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye!